Okay, let's start. We will make the balloon blow by itself. And for that, we need vinegar.
Vinegar?
Let's put some vinegar in the bottles.
Wait.
Okay, first put here some vinegar.
Let's see.
David maybe can help you?
No. Give me that. Because I'm going.
Okay, put some vinegar in the bottle.
Can you say stuff what I need?
Yes, that's enough, okay? Now put some vinegar in your bottle too. That's enough.
No.
Yes, it's enough. It's a big bottle.
I don't think it's enough.
Okay, now it is enough. Now we have put the balloon on the top of the bottle, and now we
Like
need
this?
no. Hold it in your hand and put some baking soda. Yes, that's correct, Tia. Okay, you can put more.
More. Can I put some more? Wait. Some color.
We will put the color later. Now let's put some baking soda. That's enough. Leave it in for Tia's balloon.
For mine.
Okay,
Needs
now
more. Hey, wait.
it's okay. Okay.
With another color?
Yes.
It's orange.
Okay. First, put some baking soda in your. Wait there. Wait 1 moment, please. What color did you make your vinegar? What color?
Orange.
Orange. Do you like the orange color? Well done. Okay. David, I believe that's enough baking soda. Because otherwise our balloon is going to blow up. Okay. Let's shake the bottle a little bit so that the baking soda. Wait there.
I can't.
Let me help you. Theo, wait a moment, please.
Can I go just
Please.
wash my hands?
Yes, just put the balloon here.
Wait
Okay.
1 moment.
Okay, we will wait here. What color, Theo, is your brother's balloon?
Yellow.
Well done. Yellow like the?
Sun.
Great.
There was a
Yes, now David will put some yellow color in his vinegar.
Okay. But why?
So that it's more fun.
Hey.
Yes.
Why is not coming any more color?
It will come, just... Okay.
It's over here, red.
Yeah.
And then it's turning yellow.
That's enough, David. Now let's shake the bottle a little bit like this. Okay. Now, Theo, come here next to your brother and let's try. No.
Wait, what's this?
An insect. It's flown away. Okay, so first...
Is it a beef? Was it a beef?
Yes, I believe it was a bee. Okay, wait, Theo, don't turn the baking soda yet. Let's just prepare the bottle.
Can I do it by myself?
Sure. Just make sure that the soda is not coming, the baking soda is not coming into the vinegar. Okay, now we are ready. We prepared the bottles. You can now put the baking soda into the vinegar.
Watch out! It's coming!
Yes. Theo, go to the side.
I can't make any more. Can you do it for me?
Sure.
Baby, watch out, brother. Watch out.
No, something is not right with our experiment. The balloon didn't blow up.
Why?
Not sure, but we will try again. Okay?
Yes?
Yes, we will try
Yay!
again. Bye.
Yay!
Bye. Bye for now.
Bye. Bye.
Hi again. Okay, we prepared another bottle with vinegar and some baking soda. Let's see if the balloon blows up now.
Yes, it's making.
Yay! Well
Watch
done.
out! Blowing! Wow! This is awesome!
Yes, it's awesome. Okay.
Hi, I'm David. This is my brother Dale, and today we're making an experiment with balloon. Next time it didn't blow so much. Very
Last
good.
time, yes, it didn't blow up so much. Now it's Theo's turn.
Ah! Watch out! Watch out! This is dangerous. Dangerous.
Okay, yes. Wow. Well, it blew up. Maybe not the way that we like. I guess we put too much ingredients.
Wow, we did it!
Okay, boys. It was an interesting experiment, right?
Yes. We are baking everything we get it from here. But now it's blue again. Whoa, my whistle can fall.
Cool. Okay then. That's it for now. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Goal.